This Sensarte Nonstick Frying Pan Skillets set is designed for modern home chefs who want healthy, non-toxic cooking without compromising on performance or style. This two-pan set, featuring 8-inch and 10-inch ceramic-coated frying pans, combines sleek design, superior non-stick performance, and safe, environmentally friendly materials. Whether preparing breakfast, searing meats, or sautéing vegetables, these pans are engineered to make daily cooking effortless, precise, and healthier. The purchase link is available in the description below and in the pinned comment. The defining feature of the Sensarte frying pan set is its natural ceramic non-stick coating. Certified SGS and free from PFAS, PTFE, PFOA, PFOS, APO, lead, and cadmium. These pans ensure that no harmful substances are transferred to your food, even when overheated. Unlike traditional non-stick pans, there is no risk of coating degradation or chemical release, allowing you to cook safely for yourself and your family. This health-conscious design makes the set ideal for anyone who prioritizes safe, everyday cooking. Performance is a strong focus with these skillets. The 8-inch and 10-inch sizes cover a wide range of culinary needs. The smaller 8-inch pan is perfect for frying eggs, omelets, or reheating smaller portions, while the 10-inch pan offers ample space for searing meats, sautéing vegetables, or preparing family-sized meals. The smooth ceramic surface allows food to slide easily with minimal oil, enhancing flavor while reducing fat consumption. Cleaning these pans is effortless, making them ideal for busy kitchens. The high-quality ceramic non-stick coating ensures that food releases smoothly without sticking. A simple wipe with a towel or a quick rinse under water restores the pan to like new condition. This low-maintenance feature saves time while keeping cooking enjoyable, even after preparing multiple dishes in a row. Durability is another hallmark of the Sensarte frying pan set. Constructed with cast aluminum, these pans are resistant to warping and provide rapid, even heating across the cooking surface. Combined with a high magnetic inductive stainless steel base, the pans are compatible with all stovetops, including induction, gas, electric, and ceramic. They can also handle oven temperatures up to 302 degrees Fahrenheit, offering versatility for baking or finishing dishes in the oven. User comfort and safety are also key considerations. The grainy stay-cool handles are designed to remain comfortable during prolonged cooking sessions, reducing the risk of burns while improving control. The ergonomic design ensures safe handling even when working with hot ingredients or heavier meals. Beyond their functional performance, the Sensarte ceramic frying pans are visually appealing with a clean white finish that brightens any kitchen. The modern aesthetic pairs beautifully with contemporary cookware collections and enhances the overall cooking experience by making the pans as stylish as they are practical. Why this frying pan set is a smart kitchen investment. The Sensarte non-stick frying pan set solves common cooking challenges such as sticking, uneven heating, and exposure to harmful chemicals. Its combination of durability, safety, and versatility makes it suitable for anyone looking to improve daily cooking efficiency while prioritizing health. Whether preparing single servings or family meals, these pans deliver consistent results while enhancing the cooking experience. Final verdict. For those seeking a reliable, non-toxic frying pan set that performs exceptionally across various cooking tasks, the Sensarte white ceramic non-stick frying pans are an ideal choice. With their superior ceramic coating, induction compatibility, easy cleaning, and ergonomic design, these pans are designed to make cooking healthier, faster, and more enjoyable. Upgrade your kitchen with a set that balances functionality, safety, and style. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.